Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to unprotect a sheet in Google Sheets. If you've been working with a spreadsheet that has certain sheets locked down and you need to make changes or give others access to edit, this quick process will help you remove that protection in just a few steps. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate the spreadsheet that contains the sheet you want to unprotect. Click on it to open the file. This will load the entire spreadsheet in your Google Sheets editor, and you'll be able to see all the sheets at the bottom of the screen. Now, let me show you an example. You can see on my screen that my sheet called Sample Sheet is currently protected. To unprotect it, look at the top menu bar and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your spreadsheet's data settings. From this menu, click on Protect Sheets and Ranges. This option is specifically designed to help you manage which parts of your spreadsheet are locked or open for editing. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of all the protected sheets and ranges within your current spreadsheet. In this case, you can see that the sheet labeled Sample is protected. Go ahead and click on it to select it. This action will reveal more details about the protection settings applied to this particular sheet. Once you've selected the protected sheet, look closely at the sidebar. You'll notice a trash can icon next to the sheet name. This icon is your key to removing the protection. Click on the trash can icon and a confirmation message will pop up on your screen asking if you're sure you want to remove the protection. This is just a safety measure to prevent accidental changes. Simply click Remove to confirm your decision, and that's it. Your sheet is now unprotected and fully editable. Anyone with access to the spreadsheet can now make changes to this sheet without any restrictions. This is particularly useful when you need to collaborate with team members or when you no longer need the extra layer of security on that particular sheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.